Ever burned dinner or hated greasy meals? What if crispy perfection took minutes, not guilt? Today I reveal the top 7 best air fryers of 2026, tested, trusted, and game-changing. Stick around to save time, eat healthier, and grab your favorite through the friendly links in the description. At number 7 is Nuwave Oven Pro Air Fryer. What if the air fryer you picked this year could completely replace your oven? That's exactly the bold promise the Nuwave Oven Pro Plus brings into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 conversation, and shockingly, it delivers. Most buyers fear two things: dry food and wasted money. This unit solves both with freezer-to-table cooking that actually works. Fries come out crisp. Chicken stays juicy. We only spotlight appliances that prove themselves in real kitchen life, and this one has been tested for everyday cooking comfort. Compared to smaller basket models in this lineup, it handles family meals with ease, but yes, it needs more counter space. The peace of mind from fuss-free surfaces and fast, even heating is real. It's not for tiny kitchens or solo cooks, but for busy households wanting one powerful machine to do it all. This is a confident, smart buy. On number 6 is Emerson SmartVoice Air Fryer. What if your air fryer understood you better than your phone? The Emerson SmartVoice Air Fryer brings that surprise straight into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 conversation, and it feels refreshingly human. Many buyers fear complicated apps, Wi-Fi drops, and privacy issues. This one wipes all that stress away. No internet. No setup. Just speak, and it cooks. Fries, salmon, brownies, done. We only highlight appliances that truly earn trust, and this unit has been tested for real-world kitchen comfort. Compared to bulky oven-style models in this lineup, it's compact and easier for daily meals, but the basket is smaller for big families. The peace of mind from offline voice control is real. It's not built for massive meal prep, but for seniors, busy professionals, and smart home skeptics. This is a calm, confident, and genuinely smart buy that makes cooking finally feel effortless. At number 5 is Typhur Dome Upgraded Air Fryer. What if your air fryer cooked faster than your microwave and cleaned itself after? That bold claim drops the Typhur Dome Upgraded Air Fryer straight into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 spotlight, and yes, it lives up to the hype. Many buyers fear uneven cooking and loud, messy machines. This model answers both with whisper-quiet power and lightning-fast results. Wings finish in minutes. Pizza bakes evenly without flipping. We only highlight gear that proves itself in real kitchens, and this one has been tested for everyday cooking comfort. Compared to simpler basket units on this list, it's smarter, faster, and more versatile, but it costs more and needs app access for full features. Still, the relief of speed, silence, and self-cleaning is priceless. It's not for bargain hunters, but for tech-loving families who want premium performance and peace of mind. This is a confident, future-ready buy. At number 4 is Cosori TurboBlaze Air Fryer. What if your fries came out louder and crunched than your TV volume? That's the kind of bold promise the Cosori TurboBlaze brings into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 conversation, and it absolutely delivers. Many buyers fear soggy food and long cook times. This unit fixes both with rapid airflow that crisps fast and evenly. We only highlight appliances that prove themselves in real kitchens, and this one has been tested for everyday cooking comfort. Compared to slower, basic basket models in this lineup, TurboBlaze feels quicker, quieter, and more refined, but its digital controls may feel advanced for first-time users. Still, the relief of fast, low-oil cooking and dishwasher-safe cleanup is priceless. It's not for those who want simple knobs, but for busy families and health-focused cooks who crave speed, silence, and guilt-free crunch. This is a confident, smart buy that truly earns its counter space. On number 3 is Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer. What if your air fryer could host dinner parties, not just cook snacks? The Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer oven steps into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 conversation with serious confidence, and it feels like a mini restaurant on your counter. Many buyers worry about tiny baskets and uneven results. This unit solves both with its massive interior and steady, all-around heat. We only highlight appliances that truly prove themselves, and this one has been tested for everyday cooking comfort. Compared to compact basket-style models in this lineup, it's bigger and heavier, but it feeds families without stress. Toast comes out golden. Chicken roasts evenly. The relief of reliable, party-ready cooking is real. It's not for small kitchens or solo cooks, but for households that love hosting, want peace of mind, and crave chef-style results. This is a confident, smart investment that earns its space. At number 2 is Bella 4 Quart Slim Air Fryer. What if your air fryer saved counter space and still fed the whole family? The Bella 4 Quart Slim Air Fryer brings that surprise straight into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 conversation, and it feels refreshingly practical. Many buyers fear cramped kitchens and messy coatings. This one answers both with its slim footprint and clean, ceramic interior. We only highlight appliances that earn trust, and this model has been tested for real-world cooking comfort. Compared to bulky oven-style units in this lineup, it's lighter and easier to move, though not ideal for huge party meals. Fries crisp evenly. Salmon stays juicy. The relief of fizz-free cooking and fast cleanup is real. It's not for massive batch cooking, but for apartments, couples, and small families wanting peace of mind and modern style. This is a smart, confidence-boosting buy that truly earns its place on your counter. Now moving to the last one is Ninja Crisper Plate Air Fryer. What if frozen fries could taste like restaurant takeout in minutes? The Ninja Crisper Plate Air Fryer drops that bold promise right into the top 7 air fryers of 2026 conversation, and it actually delivers. Many buyers fear soggy results and tiny baskets. This one answers both with fast, all-around heat and generous space. We only spotlight appliances that earn trust, and this unit has been tested for real-world cooking comfort. Compared to smarter, app-driven models in this lineup, it keeps things refreshingly simple, but it skips fancy tech features. Wings come out crunchy. Veggies roast evenly. The relief of fast, low-oil cooking and easy cleanup is real. It's not for gadget lovers who want voice control, but for families who want dependable crunch, quick meals, and peace of mind. This is a confident, no-drama choice that truly earns its place on the counter. After testing all contenders, the Typhur Dome upgraded air fryer earns the crown. Its insane 360-degree heating cooks up crispy food 30% faster, and the whisper-quiet operation makes cooking a joy, not a chore. Compared with other models in the top 7 air fryers of 2026, it's faster, smarter, and more versatile with self-cleaning and multifunction modes. If you want speed, consistency, and peace of mind every time you cook, this one truly stands above the rest. So guys, this was the video about the best cases 2025. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.